I'm going to show you how to superset the kettlebell chest press and squat for a strong physique in 10 minutes. Let's jump after it. All right, we're going to do 5 squats, 5 goblet squats on the minute in 10 minutes. This is how you're going to do it. You set that bell up for your press, arm chest press. Watch your head. Don't bang your head. Tilt that bell down here. All right, you're going to tilt it up. Okay, so it's upside down. Then you're going to bring the bell, squeeze the handle, hooking your thumbs underneath. Strongly bring it to your chest. I'm going to press that slow control for 5 reps. Here we go. Careful with your face, abs engaged. Bring it here. All right, here we go. 1, 2, control down, squeeze the handle. 3, squeeze hard. 4, and 5, control, set it off to the side. All right, then you're going to get into your Apodaca position, squat, goblet squat position. Here we go, 5 reps here. Control, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set it down, shake it out. Good. All right, we're only going for 10 minutes, so push through. You can do this. Strong technique. Stay with me here. All right, we got 30 seconds. I'm going to go back into it. Slide that bell position again for the chest press. Remember, you want to hook the handles in and squeeze your chest, squeeze the bell, base of the bell as you press up. That's going to engage more chest. Up and then squeeze and control it down. Here we go. All right. 5 chest presses again. Set up. Right, tilt that bell. Flip it upside down. Bring it right to your chest position. Here we go. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set it down. All right. Stand up. Time for our goblet squats. Apodaca bell. Here we go. 5 squats. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Shake it out. Nice. All right. Move around, shake it out. Remember, quality, squeezing the handle on the squat, pulling yourself down, really feeling your abs engaged as you slowly lower into that position. And then you power it up, driving your heels together to keep your knees out. Drive your heels in. You should feel the outside of your thighs here, your legs, your quadratus, the lateral part of your quad. On your when you're doing it right, that's how you feel it. All right, right into our next set. Let's go. All right, position. Tilt that bell back. Always be careful with your face. Make sure you have a good, strong grasp on the bell. Hook your thumbs inside of it. Tilt it up to your chest. Squeeze the handle. Press. Go. 1. Control it down, nice and slow. Tap your chest. 2. Control down slow. 3. 4, control, 5, control, let it drop to the side. All right, getting back up into position. All right, 5 squats, practicing that technique of driving your heels together and from the bottom. Here we go. Ready, set, here we go. Down, drive, 1, down, drive, 2, down, drive, 3, down, drive, 4, last one, down, drive, 5. Nice. All right, good work, shake it out. And guess what? We're about halfway there. Keep pushing through it, you're doing awesome. Let's get it done. All right, so remember, Each rep gives you a chance to practice squeezing that chest. The more you press that bell in, the more you engage that chest, all right? Engage your chest. Want to train it hard. Each quality rep should be done, well, with quality. Good technique. Here we go. All right, so get into position again. Tilt that ball down. Flip it up. Good grasp on that bell. All right, right into chest position. Squeeze the handle. Press your hands together. Activate that chest. Here we go. 1, make sure your abs are tight. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Good. Set it down. Switch. All right, give you a second to get into position. 5 squats. Here we go. Set. Up. Here we go. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one. Nice and strong. 5. Good. Good. Shake it out. Getting it done. Doing awesome. Keep pushing through it. We got this. We got less than 4 minutes left. We're going to crack this. Crank this out. Knock this out. All right. Don't sit down. Don't lay back just yet. I want your heart rate to come down. Shake it out. All right. About 15 seconds, then we're going to position. All right, you should be feeling your chest activated by now. If not, I want you to squeeze harder on that bell, pressing your hands together as you press it up, right? Press, press, press. After this video, I have a video on how to do the 2-arm chest press in depth, kettlebell chest press. Check that out in the description. Here we go. All right, tip it back. Flip it up. Here we go. Into chest position. Abs engaged first. Here we go. Squeeze, press, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Control, control. 5. Set it down. All right. Get into position. 5 good squats. Only got a couple left. Let's finish strong. Here we go. Down, up, 1. Down, up, 2. Down, up, 3. Down, up, 4. Last one. Up, 5. Good. Getting it done. Nice work. Almost there. Almost there. You position that bell a little further back. So play with that position. So you have, make sure you get far enough forward of the bow so when you tip it onto the handle, you don't dunk your head like I almost did when I started. Be careful. All right. Let's go. Let's go. All right. So this is our last set. All right. What do you say? Make it fun and interesting. Let's go for 7 presses and 7 squats. Let's push yourself a little bit. Last set. Let's finish strong. Let's do it together. Come on. All right. Here we go. All right. Tip that bell back. Tilt it up. Here we go. Abs engaged. Into the chest position. 7 sets. Reps, I mean. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more, come on, 6, last one, 7, control it down, drop it to the side. All right, here we go, 7 goblet squats, finish strong, you got this, let's do it together, come on, ready, set, up, 1 at a time, go, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 2 more, come on, 6, last one, nice and strong. Woo! Awesome job. You did great. Excellent job pushing it. 10 minutes. Hit your chest, hit your legs. Got your abs firing. That's how you got to get it done. Hope you enjoy this workout. If you want another 10-minute workout, grab that. I have absolutely free. More kettlebell exercises, swings, squats, rows, presses, absolutely free in the description. Grab that or KB10 and I'll shoot that right over to you. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video. The 2-arm chest press and the goblet squat, how to do that effectively, safely. Get after it, train strong, show up for yourself, just like you did today. You're gonna get to your goal. Get after it and train strong.